Are you trying to decide between MyFitnessPal and Cal AI? Let's break it down to help you choose the right one for your health journey. In this video, we'll compare these two popular fitness tools. Both aim to help you track your food intake and manage your nutrition, but they do it in different ways. MyFitnessPal is a well-known app. It has a large food database, making it easy to log meals. You can track calories, nutrients, and even set goals. It also connects with other fitness apps, so you can see everything in one place. On the other hand, CalAI uses artificial intelligence to offer personalized suggestions. It learns from your eating habits and gives tailored advice. This app focuses on helping you make better choices based on your preferences and dietary needs. Now, let's talk about the key differences. MyFitnessPal is more about tracking and logging. It's great for those who like to see numbers and stats. CalAI, however, emphasizes personalization. It's perfect if you want guidance and support in your food choices. When it comes to features, MyFitnessPal shines with its extensive food database and community support. You can join groups and share progress. Calai offers smart recommendations and a more interactive experience, but it may not have as many social features. In terms of pricing, MyFitnessPal has both free and premium options. CalAI usually has a subscription model but may offer a free trial. Check their websites for the latest details. So, which one should you choose? If you prefer tracking and community interaction, go for MyFitnessPal. But if you want personalized advice, Cal AI might be the better fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.